Body game screams louder than words. Let me say it louder for y'all in the back. Body game literally screams louder than words, right? See, the thing about body game is that it doesn't require quote unquote riz or like chat or like whatever you want, or banter, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't require words. It literally speaks louder than words, because when you master body game, you're telling the whole world who you are. Right then and there, you tell the whole world that you're someone that's disciplined, you're someone that's committed to the word. You are signaling to the world that you're that guy when you master body game, right? Because like I'm always talking about, recreating yourself, right? When you master body game and you transform yourself from obese to jacked or skinny to jacked, right? You create a character that commands attention and never bores the audience. You know, like Law 25 says, you know, you gotta create a character that commands attention and never bores the audience, right? You create a character, right, that as soon as you walk into a room, everybody stops and stares, because when you master body game, you become a commodity. It's very rare, right? Because I know a lot of people talk about physique inflation and how because of social media and how roided out people are on social media, you know, a good physique 10 years ago would be considered mid now. And there is some truth to that, yes. But I think that's only true because of the impact of social media. But when we go into the real world, in real life, in real time, you'll notice that, you know, it's only a small population of people who actually are in great shape, right? Like being in shape is low-key like a commodity. Like a lot of people are very mediocre these days. A lot of people are overweight. A lot of people, you know, they're pencil necks. A lot of people, they've got dad bods. A lot of people out here can't even do 10 push-ups. Some people can't even bench 225. Like it's still a commodity. It's just because social media makes it seem like it's the norm, right? By the way, if you like all the things that I'm talking about here and you're looking to get in great shape and you need help doing that, you're not sure how, hit that link in the description and I'll be happy to be working with you soon, right? I can help you build the physique of your dreams and we'll see if it makes sense to work together, right? So hit that link in the description and we'll see if it makes sense to work together, right? But back to scheduled programming for those of you guys that need it. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe while you're at it, right? But back to scheduled programming, like I was saying, like, yeah, because social media makes it seem like, you know, it's the norm. It makes it seem like it's the norm, but in the reality, not many people are actually in shape. Like when you master body game, you become a commodity and you're telling the world, and you signal to the world that you are a commodity. You signal to the world that you're someone who's disciplined. You're someone who keeps their word. You're signaling, you know, it signals in some ways confidence. It shows confidence and competence because it shows that, you know, when you're jacked, you come off as someone who is confident, especially if you carry yourself in that way. You come off like a very dominant force, right? And it also signals competence because it shows that you're someone that was able to complete something or someone that was able to make a certain transformation. So it shows the ability to be able to get things done, the ability to stay true to your word and complete something. You've shown that you were able to accomplish something, right? So that's what I'm saying. Mastering body game is so crucial. It's because you can talk up a big game and whatnot, right? And you can talk all the shit you want. You can be all braggadocious and whatnot, and you know, you could try and lead with your money and whatnot. But at the end of the day, with body game, like you don't even have to use your words. It's just proof. It's proof that you're that guy. It's proof. Because every day you prove to yourself that you're that guy. It's proof that you've earned it, bro. You have earned the right to look like that. You've literally transformed yourself. You've sculpted your body by sheer will and force. Like it's undeniable proof that you're him, right? Nobody can take that away from you, right? Body game is one of the things that no one can take away from you, right? No one can take that away from you. It is literally like written in stone. Like he is who he says he is. Like when you walk into a room, people notice you, right? They're gonna notice the broad shoulders. They're gonna notice the V taper. They're gonna notice the biceps on you. They're gonna notice everything, right? And instantly, as soon as they see you, they're like, "Yep, he's that guy. Like he's someone who stuck to his word. He's someone that is competent. He's someone that shows that he has the ability to stick to something. You know, it shows that you're not average. It shows that you're not like everybody else, right?" And it's important that as a man, you master body game, right? Because like I'm always saying, there's nothing enlightening about playing small. There's nothing enlightening about, you know, not reaching your full potential, right? Because it's not just about you at the end of the day. It's about everyone else around you, right? You have to be able to, you know, play big. And by playing big, you do more for society because then you push other people to play big, right? Because we all have a role to participate on this world, or we all have a role to push society forward. And in order to do that, we have to be the best version of ourselves. So then that creates a ripple effect, right? And those who are mature enough will understand, and they'll follow suit and do the same. Be like, oh wow, like he's kind of glowing right now. I kind of want to catch a little bit of that light, and then it inspires them to do better as well. So that's why Bodygame is important, right? And that's why it commands attention, right? And it never bores the audience, and why it's important to command that attention through Bodygame, right? Without words, and through commanding that attention, you then inspire others to follow suit, right? That's why it's so important. But that's all I really have to say for today, man. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, right? And make sure you hit that link in the description for one-on-one coaching. If you're looking to get in the best shape of your life, right, I can help you with that. I'm the guy for that, and we'll see if it makes sense to work together. And remember, there's nothing enlightening about playing small. I'll catch you guys next video. See ya.